So I've never really used the Claude desktop app, but I have been curious about Claude Cowork, and it turns out buried in their documentation, you can use Claude Cowork with third-party platforms. So we're going to try to connect it to our local LLM server. In my case, I'm going to use oMLX, but the process would be identical for a Llama C++ server or Olama or whatever you want to do. So they've got some instructions here. I'm not going to go through it. I don't know exactly why they do this, so my assumption is that this won't be here forever. It says it's for companies, organizations. I don't know. It's not for me. But the way we're going to get to this, so I've got Claude Desktop opened here. I'm on my free account because I've never given Anthropic any money as far as I know. I'm going to go to Help. I'm going to go to Troubleshooting. And I'm going to go to Enable Developer Mode. And that's going to say we're going to have to restart our guy. So cool. And now I've got this little developer option here. So I'm going to go to Configure Third-Party Inference. And I'm going to set this up. Let me see if this will zoom. No, it won't. Okay, so I'm choosing Gateway. I'm going to get my base URL. So I'm using oMLX. So that's going to be my base URL. I actually do have a dumb key for this. I think that's going to be API key. I'm not sure. And I'm going to need to add a model. So we are going to grab this guy. Come over here, say add. We'll add that model. And you know what, just for good measure, I'll add another one. And I think that's all I need to do. I'm going to hit apply local. It's going to say relaunch now. So we're relaunched and we're connected to this Cowork 3P gateway. I can actually sign out. And when I come back, you can see I can sign into Anthropic or I can continue with Gateway. So do that, and you can see it's using my models here. So one of the examples they have in their like how to use Cowork is just organize my downloads folder. So I'm going to say organize downloads folder by file type. And then we'll just let that guy run. So it needs access. I'm going to allow that. It's got jokes. Cool. It looks like it did it. It's still thinking. I guess it's going to come back with some sort of comment. But if I go over here to the downloads folder, moved all the zip files into archives, a WAV file. I don't even know what half of these are. So that is pretty dope. It's explaining what it did. I'm using Cowork for free and private. I'm not sending anyone else my information as far as I know.